Have a nice day to all my friends. I will tell you today on my video how to check a diode. First we need to identify its two pin. Cathode has been marked silver color. So the cathode is the positive sign here. There is sign is way to identify the cathode. The cathode detects that way. So the other side is anode. You can look at that video that you check from the digital multimeter. So the diode mark is choose from the digital multimeter. A diode can see a decimal value to one direction. Now you can see decimal value. Let's switch the two sides of diode. Then there will be no decimal value. You can see. If this shows this, it can be called diode better. So if both sides show a decimal value, it is defective. If no value, it is disabled. The diode should be disconnected when examining the circuit. So I will go and come. So you again from next video. Good day to everyone. Thank you all my friends.